If you're looking to achieve a clean, professional finish when installing ceramic tiles on the kitchen wall under the countertop, this step-by-step tutorial will guide you through the entire process with precision and ease. In this video, you will discover the correct method used by professionals to install wall tiles in tight and detailed spaces, especially under kitchen countertops where accuracy is essential. We start by preparing the surface properly using cement and sand to create a strong and level base. Surface preparation is one of the most important steps to ensure that tiles stick perfectly and last for years without cracking or loosening. Then, we move on to measuring and marking the area carefully to guarantee straight lines and perfect alignment. You will also learn how to cut ceramic tiles accurately to fit under the countertop without leaving gaps or uneven edges. This includes practical techniques for dealing with corners, edges, and difficult spots that many beginners struggle with. Using the right tools and methods makes a big difference, and this video shows you exactly how to do it. In addition, we demonstrate how to apply tile adhesive evenly, place each tile with proper spacing, and ensure a strong bond with the wall. You will see how to maintain consistent joints between tiles and how to achieve a smooth, clean layout that enhances the overall look of your kitchen. The video also covers finishing touches such as cleaning excess adhesive, checking alignment, and ensuring a neat final appearance. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced craftsman, these tips and techniques will help you improve your tile installation skills and achieve a high-quality result. This method is perfect for anyone working on kitchen renovation, home improvement, or professional tiling projects. By following these steps, you can transform your kitchen wall into a clean, elegant surface with a durable and long-lasting finish. Don't forget to watch until the end to see the final result and learn all the small details that make a big difference in professional tile installation.